Good morning. Happy Thursday, October 29th to you today. End of the month already. It's crazy how fast things have gone. But it's been a great 2 months, and I hope you're enjoying, just being back in that school routine that we've missed for so long. I know I am. It's been great, and I'm enjoying the face-to-face interactions I have, and also just communicating with virtual students as well. It's been really good start to the year. I'm going to take a few minutes this morning and talk about ALEKS. I had a couple questions just in regards to, how do I find out how much time I've spent? Can I look that up? Is there a way to see it on my own ALEKS page when I log in? And absolutely there is. So what you have in front of you is one of my students' ALEKS homepage. And I went through 2 days ago, I think, with her, and just we explored and figured out how to see that time. So when you log into ALEKS and you see the screen come up, you have in the top left-hand corner this, I always call it, looks like a hamburger to me, those 3 dashes there. If you click on that and you come down to reports right here and pull this up, and what it's going to give you is over on the right, this week's activity. So it's actually going to show you how many hours and how many minutes you have spent on ALEKS for the week. Now, remember, we've talked the week is Monday through Sunday, right? So this says October 26th, which was Monday, through Sunday, which is November 1st. So for the week, you can see, for example, she has spent 1 hour and 1 minute on it so far. So she's definitely exceeded the 30 minutes per week that she needs. If you're looking at just for the day, so it'll say most recent activity in the second row here. And so for today, Wednesday, October 28th, you were supposed to spend, or actually yesterday, you were supposed to spend 15 minutes on ALEKS. And so she spent 48 minutes on ALEKS, almost 49 minutes. And so as long as you kind of check those two places out, those two reports out, that gives you an idea of what time you have spent. Again, this first one, top row on the right, is how much you've spent for the week. And then down in the second row, first one on the left, it tells you for the day. So if you're ever curious when you're doing your 15 minutes of ALEKS work on your Wednesdays, that is the place to check. And again, all I did was go to the top left corner, click on the 3 dash marks or the hamburger, and you go to reports, and that brings that up for you, okay? So if you still have questions, let me know, please, by all means. But from your end, that's how you see it. And then when I go to, and Mr. Terpstra and Mr. Whalen, when we go to put grades in for the week, the report that we see here, so I'll show you again. This is from Monday the 26th through Sunday, November 1st. We can see total class time. We can see total time engaged. By day, we can see it. And then again, if we're just looking at Wednesdays, and really on Wednesdays, we just want to make sure that you're doing your 15 minutes like you're expected to. And it's still early. I'm doing this video on Wednesday about noon. And so some students haven't done it yet, and that's fine. But you can see the students that have done these, and some of them are at 15 minutes where they should be, or above that, which is awesome because then they're done for the week. So again, if you have questions with that, please ask. But I know I keep repeating myself and you keep hearing it over and over. Just be sure by Sunday, November 1st, that you have 30 minutes of ALEKS time in for the week, and that'll go in the grade book. All right. So today, looking into chapter 2 still. It's a really big chapter. I know I keep saying that too, but it is. And we covered lesson 6 the last few days, and we did a quick check in lesson 6 on sales tax and tips and markups and total costs. So now we're going to start looking at lesson 7. And in lesson 7, we're going to find discount and sale price and total cost also, in the real world type of situations. And we're going to begin that discount lesson today. So if you could make sure right now that you have your book, and I'm going to ask that you turn it to page 160. You have your calculator with you, and you're ready to go. So if you could pause the video and get those items ready, I will be right back with you, and we'll start the lesson.